Hello viewers, my this series TikTok what is the viral back crack twist dangerous of the trend explore. TikTok latest viral challenge involved doing a certain twist maneuver to crack your back, but you should properly think twist before you try this one. On TikTok, people go to extreme lengths to take part in the latest viral trend, often putting themselves at arm, whitening your teeth with hydrogen peroxide, consuming dry pre-workout powder, and using a needle and ink to add fake freckles to your face are just a few of dangerous trends that have taken over TikTok. Now people are trying to crack their back and TikTok latest challenge, but this could actually be more harmful than good. What is the back crack twist challenge? For years, TikTok users have been coming up with new ways to crack your back, and one person appeared to have finally come up with the best possible method. On June 15, Russian fitness TikTok user called Trykina Olia, who has over 800,000 followers on the platform, updated a video where she showed her followers how to crack their back. In the clip, she knelt on the floor of the yoga studio and twisted her body around whilst stretching her arms out beside her. As she did the maneuver, you could hear a loud crack. The video has had a hot 12.9 million viewers and gone viral across TikTok, and everyone is now trying her back cracking techniques. Here why the trend could be dangerous. TikTok users have been pressing all for her impressive back cracking method, but it could actually do more harm than good. Health Nice states that in journal it's safe to crack your back. It would not cause athletes and injuries are pretty uncommon, but there are some health risks. Whilst it might feel great to crack your back, you need to make sure you don't do it too hard, because using too much force or pressure could result in injury. Also, it's best not to crack your back too often, as it can cause wear and tear in your joint, which can lead to joint strain, swelling, breakdown, and damage to the soft tissue. Cracking your back more than once per day probably it is not the healthiest option over a long period of time, but doing it once every now and again should not cause any issue. Do gentle stitches instead. If you feel like you need to crack your back really often, it's best to consult a doctor to identify underlying cause and come up with treatment option. Healthline that instead of cracking your back too often, it's not best to do gentle stretches and exercise that help to improve your strength, flexibility, and posture. In other news, what Andy Fordham weight loss injury can teach us the life and death of the Dirt's legend. Thanks for watching this informational video. Please subscribe, like, share my channel video.